If you want to win a brand new 2020 Seat Corvette and $20,000 in cash, link below, omaze.com/Stradman. Check it out. From Vossen, finished here in Miami white. Oh yes. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. 1 hour before my flight off to Texas, UPS arrived with my Vossen wheels. I didn't have time to open them, so for the past 4 days, flying to Texas, driving across Texas, I've been wondering, what are the white Vossens gonna look like? How good are they gonna look on the Seat Corvettes? And finally today, we can unbox, we're gonna mount it, make some models. I'm quite excited. It started off with the Aventador, then I got carried away and did the Gladiator, and then things got wild with the Supra. We built the Purple Army, and now the C8 Corvette. So, the 2020 C8 Corvette has some of the worst wheel fitment and wheel gap I've ever seen on a stock car. It just has these tiny little baby adorable cute wheels. We got 20s in the back, we got 19s up front. We're upgrading to 2021s. Time out. We gotta stop today's video for some classified advertisement intermission. That made sense. Yeah, that did not make sense. I am selling my 2020 C8 Corvette stock wheels, as cute and as adorable as they are. If you do want them, you have to live in Utah though. I don't want to bother shipping these. So if you live in Utah and you want to buy them, send me an Instagram DM. Appreciate ya. Finally, the moment we have been waiting for has come. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Yes. We're not gonna unbox all 4 wheels right now. We gotta figure out how to get the wheels into the Focus RS and get them to make some models. I don't really know how this is gonna go. Achoo! Woo! Okay, I realize I'm annoying and stupid. These Vossen Forge wheels finished here in Miami white. They look incredible, boys. If you're looking for a cool set of wheels, check out Vossen, link below. I definitely need a Raptor, but do I get a Roush or a Shelby? Or do I forget the house build, and just buy a Bugatti Veyron? Life of Paulos, I'm watching you, boy. I'm not buying a Bugatti Veyron. I can't afford it. I couldn't even afford the tires on it. Like, it's not gonna happen. It's not that I don't want it, I can't afford it. I think like a new set of tires is like 40,000, I don't know, it's a lot of money. It's out of the realm of possibility. I don't know if this is gonna work. Herein lies the problem. 1 box, 2 boxes, we have a 3rd box, but I can only use 1st and 2nd gear. The next problem is that the 4th box doesn't quite fit. It's just a smidge too big. I'm not gonna say it's a story of inspiration and survival, but we got the job done. Most of you guys already know this, but I am a self-proclaimed C8 Corvette fanboy. Bar none, this is the best bang for buck car you can buy on the market today. And check this out. I have partnered up with Omaze for the opportunity for one of you guys to win a 2020 C8 Corvette finished in torch red with the Z51 Performance Pack, and it gets better. You also win an additional $20,000 in cash. All you have to do is check out the link below to omaze.com/Stradman. Could you guys imagine if one of you guys won the Corvette and that $20,000 in cash? You could do the greatest build the interwebs has ever seen. Wrap, wheels, exhaust, wide body kits. You could even start an epic twin turbo build. Like, the performance potential in this car is almost simply unparalleled. We're talking 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, 495 horsepower, 6.2 liter V8, and also check this out. Every single donation is gonna help support the UCLA Ronald Reagan Medical Center, and the funds are specifically gonna help the current pandemic situation in the form of patient care and medical supplies. All you have to do is check out the link below, omaze.com/Stradman, for the chance to win a 2020 C8 Corvette. I made some adjustments. I can grab 1st, 3rd, and 5th, and reverse. Nick offered me the Hummer, but the registration is expired. Also, the Rolls-Royce registration is also expired. The Corvette registration is also expired. And welcome here to Make Some Models. They got this beautiful GT3 RS. Yo. There's something about a lava orange GT3 RS. Unfortunately, my budget only allows for like 3 supercars. We got the Gallardo, the Aventador, and of course the Ford GT, but a GT3 RS would be so sick. We just unboxed the other 4 wheels, and look at the center caps. That chrome red looks incredible. We also have the Vossen special wheel lug nuts, and we have the set of 4 Michelin tires. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna swap out the Focus RS for the C8 Corvette. We're gonna come back, and in the meantime, Make Some Models is gonna mount the tires to the wheels. Yeah? Yeah, that color, lava orange, looks so killer. Okay, so I just realized we need to swap the TPMS sensors from the current tires to the new tires so they makes and models can't do anything until we get back. It's May 13th, 2020. If you work at the Utah Highway Patrol, just don't worry about it. Yeah, we have 5,567 miles on the C8 Corvette. We've averaged 46.5 miles per hour. Fuel economy, 21.8 miles to the gallon for a car that can do 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. That's incredible. This Shelby GT350 makes and models just finished a twin turbo build on that thing. Burlacker, where are you at? I'm not sure many of you guys have heard, but the Chevy Corvette factory is actually shut down since about the middle of March, which means the 2020 C8 Corvettes, they've only built like 2,700 thus far, which means more than likely the 2020 C8 Corvettes are gonna be the rarest iteration of the mid-engine Corvette. This is number 367. It doesn't really mean anything. I don't think this car is ever really gonna go that much up in value, but kind of sort of cool, I guess. I have to apologize to you guys. The rubber on these tires is still relatively fresh. We should have spun it one last time, but obviously whoever buys the tire and wheel combo is going to appreciate it. I also realized how hideous are these wheels. I never paid that much attention. I think after seeing the Vossens, I realized it is gonna be such an upgrade. I am so sorry. Those tires are in such good shape. How did I forget that? I had this whole video planned out. We were gonna unbox the wheels, we were gonna drop them off at Makes and Models, and then we were gonna spin the C8, and I forgot. I haven't eaten lunch today either. If anybody wants to buy my stock tires and wheels, they are in fantastic shape, like absolutely beautiful, beautiful condition. Yeah, anyways. You never know what's gonna happen at Makes and Models. Yo, the Super Trofeo Evo right there. I need one of these. We need to trade out the 430 Challenge for one of these. That is so sick. I just got some intel here at Makes and Models. This Huracan Super Trofeo Evo is for sale. Should I trade the 430 Challenge for this? This thing would be absolutely ridiculous. The carbon fiber roof scoop right there. I don't know, boys. Is this what I need? I mean, obviously this is what I need in my life. I need to finish my house, but could you imagine? This is my last personal shout out. If you want to buy my stock tires and wheels for the C8 Corvette, they're in very, very, very good condition. They've definitely not been spun. They've been spun. That tire needs replaced. The other three tires are in very good shape. Not sure really what whoops. Kind of sort of the theme of today's video. I have made another mistake. We have the wrong size Michelin tires for the C8 Corvette. But Makes and Models is hooking me up. We have these old tires off a GT3 RS. They're Pilot Sport Cup 2s. Now they're not maybe in the best shape per se, but they're gonna work for today. Once I get the right set of Michelins, we'll swap them over, but it's gonna work for now. These white Vossen wheels look so good now that they're mounted up on the tires. This is just gonna completely change the whole dynamic of the C8 Corvette. What? It's weird how tires, like this looks like a GT3 RS tire. It's weird how, I mean obviously it is, that's why it looks like it, but interesting. Oh, dude. They look so good, Kelsey. Look at those.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, boys, we've made it. And the car's not even down yet, so obviously like we got a lot of wheel gap right there. That's gonna settle, don't worry. I knew it was gonna look amazing. I had no idea. It looks so much better. This is the moment of truth. How good are they gonna look? That purple white contrast is absolutely money. Oh, wow. That looks incredible. These wheels have such an open air feel compared to the OEM wheels. They look so much better. It makes this car look so much newer. Obviously, this is a 2020 C8 Corvette, so it's brand new, but the stock OEM wheels are absolute garbage. And the wheels that we took off the C8 Corvette, those are like the top tier wheels. Those are like the expensive wheels. The base wheels look even worse. I hope I didn't offend anybody with the base wheels, so yeah, let me know your frustrations below. It looks so much better than those garbage wheels that were on it before. It just opens up and makes the car look so much newer and so much more aggressive. That fitment is crazy. 25 miles in, first impressions, the car drives so nice. Sometimes you put aftermarket wheels on a car and it just completely botches the drivability, but these Vossens, they're so light, they're forged wheels, it drives so good. I want to clarify, these are the wrong tires for this car. The sidewall is way too tall. They're off a GT3 RS. I ordered the wrong size Michelins, so this was the only way we're gonna get the wheels mounted today. Otherwise, we would have to leave the Corvette at Mixed Models for like 4 or 5 days until the right tires arrive. So when the right tires do arrive, we're gonna remount the wheels on the right tires and it's gonna look better. But for the time being, it looks amazing. This is about 30 millimeters tall. It needs to be more like 25, and then it's gonna look absolutely perfect. Obviously, we still need to lower the car, so it's still a work in process, but what do you guys think? I think the white Vossens just clean up the car so much. It looks so much newer. I don't know what is going on with the current C8 Corvette wheels. And the funny thing, those are the upgraded wheels. We didn't even have the base spec wheels. We had the upgraded wheels, and the base ones look even worse. I know for a lot of people, the purple and white is getting a little ho-hum. It's been done before. The boredom train continues to grow, but you have to admit it looks better than it did before, right? Right? I'm not wrong. I could have gotten black wheels, but that's been done a million times. It'll be done a million more times. And when this car is center stage SEMA 2020, you are gonna know this is my car because this is my brand and my color combo. And I have to admit, I'm still in love with it. Quick notation, the C8 Corvette has normal doors. It does not have Lambo doors, but, well, I mean, I guess it does have Huracan doors. It doesn't have Murcielago doors, but maybe it should. Here is the question of the video. Since I got vetoed on the butterfly doors for the Ford GT, do I need Lambo doors on the C8 Corvette? Is that what it's been missing all along to make it a proper supercar? There's a shop down in Arizona, Icon Motorsports, that is offering the first kit available with Lambo scissor door for the C8 Corvette. Is that a yes? Is that a no? Let me know below. I know a lot of you guys probably didn't see the video where I unboxed my airbags from Universal Air. So yes, the C8 Corvette is gonna be put on air ride here very, very soon. That might be actually the next mod. Out of nowhere, Burlacker's home, but check this out. I found this article on DuPont Registry today for used C8 Corvettes. Check this one out. $120,000 is the asking price. I paid $85,000 for mine. Mine is also a 3LT. I do have more miles, but 120 grand. And if we continue down, look at all these C8 Corvettes for sale. So we have the Hennessy Twin Turbo for $225. That car's not even available yet, so I'm not sure what that listing is. But check this out, 109.8 for a 2LT with 500 miles, 110 for another 2LT. Mine's a 3LT. What do you guys think? Should I sell my C8 Corvette for $30,000 to $40,000 profit? Of course, $115,000, $120,000, that's just an asking price. I don't know if any C8 Corvettes have actually sold for that price, but $35,000 profit is pretty tempting. I'm not gonna sell my car. But remember guys, if you wanna win your very own 2020 C8 Corvette and $20,000 in cash, check out the link below, omaze.com/Stradman. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm